Welcome. In front of me is a BQ Aquarius V, and I'll show you how to enable portable hotspot. So to start off, you will open up settings, and then you will tap on more here, and you have tethering and portable hotspot. Click on this, and you can now check this off. Okay, and you can also set up the name of it and the password that you like, and save once you set up to the way you like it. And now you can take, let's say, other device to connect to it. So I'm just gonna bring my phone into the view, and it should be right here, right on the top. So now I could connect to it and use the network from this device on a different one. So, and if you want to like disable it, you can just check this back off, and now it will be disabled. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.